And microphone from the left side. Okay. Yeah, good.
He's inside the giant Mriya for the first time in his life, but he's been a fan of the Ukrainian aviation for many years now.
I started working with the Antonov aircraft last year, right, at Toronto Pearson. And then gradually, because I met many crews, or a couple of the same crews, as they would come into Toronto. And then at first, like, I didn't, how do you say it? I didn't do anything necessarily. And then slowly, like, I had a small flag that I would bring, then a bigger one, and a bigger one. I also brought them cake then.
Recently, he got another tattoo, Mriya herself. Max is not without a reason when it comes in loving Ukrainian aviation. When Max was 2 years old, the boy, a native of Lviv, was adopted by a Canadian family. Ever since, he lives in Toronto.
Do I identify myself as Ukrainian? Yes, because I was born here. I mean, even though I currently live in Canada, right? This is still my home country, right? It's still a country I'm proud of, and nothing's going to change that.
After adoption, Max was never in his historical homeland. The employees of Antonov decided to change that.
I asked him a question whether he wanted to see Ukraine, but honestly, everyone, myself included, were shocked by how responsive he was, suddenly writing back saying, "Oh yeah, I got a ticket." He's already planning another trip in a year, but this time with the family to see Lviv, which is his native city.
And here Max meets his dream. He observes Mriya, which he had only seen before from afar, and takes the seat of the pilot.
It's so amazing to finally see this aircraft in person. You know, like I said before, it's a very inspirational aircraft, I think. So it's nice to finally be able to see the inspiration in person.
Когда я первый раз увидел фотографию в Фейсбуке с этим ярким.
When I first saw the photo on Facebook with this bright tattoo, I had some feeling of pride. It felt really nice to know that there are such honest people, so open about their love for aviation.
Still not gone from Ukraine, Max already plans the next trip, this time to Lviv, where he was born. For this, he practices his Ukrainian.
Доброго ранку, добрий вечір, добрий день. Я трохи розмовляю українською, але не дуже добре.